Welcome to the Full Tracy Money Audio Commentary. This is Owen Tracy recording, and it is at 10:18 p.m. That is British Summer Time, and today is at May 27th. Well, oil prices were down $4.57 today, so that's extending the decline, and it's emphasizing that now the price is back below $100. So it's perhaps on the one hand signaling that there's some enthusiasm around peace or a deal to be struck between the USA and Iran. There is also, of course, the point that Russia has got some waivers about who it can export oil to, and that is removing some of the stress in the market. I think we also have to at least consider that Russia might be winning this war. When we look at some of the European defense stocks, well, they're not going up. And this is, I think, particularly true when we look at Rheinmetall, where we've seen that the share has experienced quite a significant decline. But it's also that you have quite a lot of, I guess, commonality in the global defense sector. So Mitsubishi Heavy has also dropped back down through the 200-day moving average. That's a meaningful decline. It's the first time that it has come back below that trend mean since the original breakout in 2023. I think it was a point that one of the delegates at the chart seminar made today, which was that a lot of the weaponry that these companies have been developing is largely outdated in a world where the conditions around war have changed significantly, so they have to retool. They have to come up with new products. And until they do, they're not going to be able to get quite as prolific a spending spree from their respective governments. But of course, this also tells us that there's going to be a significant rearmament. It's just that it's not going to be from the traditional arms makers. And that isn't at all how these the pricing of these shares has been construed over the last several years. Now, gold prices were also negative in here today, and that is despite the fact that oil prices were lower and that Treasury yields were also lower. So gold is at a rather interesting juncture here because it did pop on the upside in the early part of